Hello dear students, best wishes to all. The continuation of the lesson, The Mighty Kingdom of Magadha, lesson 10. Today we are going to learn about the Bimbisara and Ajatasattu, the great rulers of Magadha dynasty. According to Mahabharata, the Magadha dynasty was established by Brihadatta. Among the greatest rulers of Magadha, Bimbisara ruled from 542 BCE to 493 BCE. He was the greatest ruler among other rulers of Magadha dynasty. He belonged to Haryanka dynasty and ruled for 50 years. He conquered and annexed the kingdom of Anga with its head office Champa. It was an important center of trade and commerce that helped in making the kingdom rich and prosperous. Bimbisara married the sister of Koshala king Prosenjit, and the king Prosenjit gave the village of Kashi to Bimbisara as a gift. He also married Chelena, the youngest daughter of the ruler of Vaishali. This helped him to increase his empire. He had friendly relations with the powerful rulers of Avanti and Gandhara. He ruled his kingdom very well. He had a council of ministers who helped the king in ruling his empire. He used to punish his ministers if they did not carry their duty well. He was kind ruler, follower of Lord Buddha, and supported well Jainism and other religions too. He built many roads and bridges and traveled far and wide places of his kingdom so that he could look after well the subjects of his kingdom. Ajatasattu, the great ruler of Magadha kingdom, son of Bimbisara, ruled from 493 BCE to 461 BCE and ruled for 32 years. He conquered states like Kasi, Vaishali and fought with the rulers of Koshala and Vaji and defeated them. Under him, Magadha became a powerful kingdom in North India. To fight with Licchavis, he constructed a new city and fort. He founded ancient city of Patliputra, which became a new capital of Magadha. He followed Jainism and Buddhism religion. When Lord Buddha died at Kushinagar, Ajatasattu asked for his share of Buddha's relics. Then he built stupa over those relics at the capital Rajgriha. Stupa means a dome-shaped Buddhist monument used to house relics of Lord Buddha. Relics means the body part or ashes preserved and kept as a mark of respect, believing it a holy or sacred object of the saints.